So guys, welcome to the Andres Experience. So nandito tayo ngayon guys sa UP Diliman. So nag-event tayo. Meron tayong client. So 7 years old siya. So check natin. Check nyo. Samahan nyo kami. Kung ano yung tsura o kung paano ba namin ginagawa yung setup. So yan guys. Napakaraming logo. Kasama namin sa event. So medyo patapos na. So mamaya balikan ko kayo para din sa fully finish na setup. So ayan, yung seeding. So ayan, medyo patapos na rin. So later guys ha. Guys, for the beads. Ibang kulay ng beads. Ito naman yung sa keychain. Yan, the DIY. So, yan guys. Yan guys, at this side, nakikita niyo meron tayong inflatable. So, yan, medyo malapit na tayong matapos. Time check, 10 o'clock pa lang. Pero, alis patapos na. So, pasok ko naman kayo. Tour ko kayo sa loob kung ano nangyayari. Yan guys. Yan yung entrance. Pasok tayo. Tour ko kayo. This side, magawa sila ng flowers. Dito tayo sa pinakagitna. Balloons. So yun guys. LED naka-setup na rin. So, sound system, naka-setup na rin. So, check natin. So, ayan. So, later ulit guys. So, ayan na guys. Buo na siya. Kompleto na to. So, with LED. Yan din yung letter standee. Kompleto na po siya. So, ayan po. Giveaways. Then yung tables. So, guys, meron tayong 2 types of tables dito pang kids. Yan yung may monoblock. Tsaka yung may pang low table din. So, lahat yan naka-team po. So, ayan na guys. Gusto tayo. Guys, napakarami tayo. Nababaliw sa DIY. Sila. Charms and DIY. So guys, meron tayong juice. Meron tayong mix balls. Saka yung isang sisig sa dulo. Okay. sa kabila, meron tayong cotton candy, meron tayong hotdog on sticks, meron tayong cheesy nachos at saka turbetes. We have the face painting. KM, hi! So, yeah. We have claw machine. So, yeah. And guys, we have potato corner. So, ayan, potato corner. Then, we have the cafe agape. So, dami. Grabe. Yan, we have the catering din. Siyempre, yung partner na catering namin.
Nanay and Tatay!
Grabe guys. So, ayun o.
Okay, for all the mothers that we have here.
So, yun.
Alright, let's go.
Mother's Day kasi ngayon, kaya
Our birthday girl, Manny, Mommy, we're gonna take a picture now. With the kids, boys and girls, stand up!
flowers.
Boys and
There's some
girls,
Mother's
stand
Day.
up!
There's no Mother's Day. Okay.
Enjoy the birthday.
Hey, why? So, ayun.
One, two,
So, yun guys.
ready? And 10, go!
Enjoy sila.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 27.
Wow! Mommy, move here. Let's give me another example of
Yan guys.
on top 3.
Sisigpitan ng IS.
Again na. Listen. As an example of. That was correct, Joshua. You were next. Give me an example of an animal with 4 legs. Oh, very good. But we only need 1 winner in this game, so this was
Yan guys. Yung sisigpitan ng
Tonight is birthday party. We'll have a present piece of the phone. Mommy! Our birthday is there. Mommy's birthday party is today in Celeste.
guys, ha? 7 roses.
We're gonna take a picture. Rafa, Maddie, look at the camera. Smile.